Little word whilst it's finishing up the last of it. I'm only going to get maybe 400 ml spirits coming out. Possibly if I dilute it down to 40%, I should end up with 600 ml. It's not a lot, but this is my mark. That is actually what's left in there. This is sediment and my pearl barley. So I've got that much left in there I didn't get out. But that means I had about maybe 2 litres, 2.5 at the most. Let's say I had 2 litres. So by the time you put it through the air still, 2 litres at about, it would have been 14 or 15% alcohol in there because it was pretty strong. So 2 litres into the still, you're going to get about a quarter of a litre coming out at 60 to 80%. Dilute it down to 40% alcohol. You're talking hopefully about 800ml, maybe 600ml. You're talking just over half a litre. But all of this is good stuff. That's your flavour. If, when I check it, it's any good, if it hasn't got any nice flavour in it, what I could do, I probably won't, but what I could do is just slosh down, because I use brown sugar as well doing this. I could just stick in a bag of sugar and some hot water, get it all nice and dissolved, put it in here, and then that should just kick off and keep going again and just carry on. So what I might do, because all it's going to cost me is a bit of hot water and I don't know, maybe half a kilo of white sugar. Just put it in, top it up, give it a good old shake, and then just put it somewhere and forget about it. Put a little breathe tube on top, because all that stuff in there is still going to give me more booze, more flavour, and that's the idea. I can make booze easy enough just using white sugar, but I want to get some nice flavour out of it. There is no molasses in this experiment. It's just a nice container. I like to reuse